We just got word from another satisfied customer who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customer happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use us in the future. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we would like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Our door is always open to answer any questions you may have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.